Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to get your online bank statement from Nationwide in 2025. With digital banking evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you access your statements quickly and securely, whether you're tracking expenses, preparing taxes, or just staying on top of your finances. Let's dive right in. First off, why bother with online statements? They're convenient, eco-friendly, and often more detailed than paper ones. Plus, in 2025, Nationwide has rolled out some cool updates for easier access. Before we start, make sure you have a stable internet connection and your login credentials handy. Remember, always prioritize security. Use a private device and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Step 1. Head to the Nationwide website or open the mobile app. By 2025, the app is even more intuitive, with a sleek interface optimized for both iOS and Android. If you're on a computer, go to nationwide.co.uk and click on the Login button at the top right. Step 2. Enter your username and password. If you're using the app, you might see options for biometric login like fingerprint or facial recognition, super handy for quick access. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Step 3. Navigate to the Accounts or Statements section. Look for a menu icon, usually a 3-line hamburger button, and select View Statements or something similar. Nationwide might have renamed it by 2025, but it should be prominent. Step 4. Choose the account you want the statement for, then select the date range or specific month. You can filter by recent activity or go back as far as your records allow, typically up to 7 years. Step 5. Hit Download or View to get your statement. It could be in PDF format for easy saving or printing. Double-check for any prompts about security settings. A quick tip: if you run into issues, use Nationwide's help chat or call their support line. They're usually very responsive. And there you have it. You've successfully grabbed your online bank statement. This process not only saves time but also helps you manage your money more effectively. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.